G'day folks, today we're going to do a drive-lapse interval comparison using the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Last year I made a similar video using the Hero 5 Black, but I thought I'd make an updated version because it's summertime and there's going to be people out doing some motovlogging, maybe doing some drive lapses. So let's take a look at all the different intervals and see what they look like. So as you can see by the sample videos, half a second and a 1 second interval is probably the best when you're doing any kind of drive lapsing. Once you get up to the 2 second interval or the 5 second interval, it gets very jumpy and not very pleasant to watch. Now shooting at higher intervals when drive lapsing, like at 2 seconds or even 5 seconds, does have its uses once in a while. If you're doing a long road trip or driving across country and you want to document it, that's when you would maybe want to use a higher interval to keep the time lapse shorter. Well folks, that's it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.